everyone, I am Priyanka and I welcome you back to my channel Culinary Stories. Today, our recipe what we are doing is called as Shami Kebabs. It's quite a popular recipe in India and other regions and countries. It is generally made up of a small patty, either chicken or lamb, and has a great mix of amazing spices. The original way of making it is actually deep frying by coating egg and using bread and flour for binding. But as we always stress on the healthier version of the recipe, we won't be deep frying it. We won't be using any bread, corn flour or flour which is maida, and still it'll be delicious. Let's see how to go about it.
The exact details about the ingredients are mentioned in the description box. For making Shami Kebabs, first we'll give a nice steam and boil our chicken. In goes the chana dal after the chicken. Onions and green chili, ginger, garlic, dry spices, salt, red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, 330 ml of water. Give it a nice mix. Bay leaf and cinnamon. Once we open the lid, if there is any excess water, please dry it out on medium to high flame. After the water has been dried, please cool the mixture for about 1 to 2 hours before molding them into kebabs. After it has been cooled down, give it a nice mash with your hands and then put the remaining ingredients, which is spices, coriander leaves, green chili and chopped onions, and give it a nice mix. Once everything is mixed well, we will make small patties and then put it on a plate. Please note, we are not using anything for binding flour or bread or egg. So that is why we have kept it for cool and then made patties. Now I am greasing my pan with desi ghee, or we call clarified butter. You can use any form of grease. I'm going to put my kebabs and I'm going to let them cook for around 10 to 12 minutes one side on low to medium flame. After 10 to 12 minutes, we will flip and cook the other side of the kebab. And let them cook for another 10 to 12 minutes before they are ready to serve. Our crispy, non-fried, healthy Shami Kebabs are ready. They go really well with green chutney, the coriander and mint chutney. And also, if you don't have time to prepare chutney, you can even use tomato sauce. It goes really well with it. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching the recipe. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe until we meet next with a new and a healthier version of recipe.